will talk about XAML. So Xamarin is the tool which is used along with Visual Studio for developing cross-platform application. Cross-platform application in the sense we can create one code and we can deploy in different application platform. For example, only one time we will write the code in Xamarin using Visual Studio, and the end output is for iOS as well as for Apple. And Xamarin not only support only for cross-platform, it also supports web-based applications also. If you want to create any web application, then also you can use Xamarins. So XAML is extensible application markup language. It is a declarative language which is used for creating the user interfaces in Xamarin Forms. So to create the user interface, we need to use XAML code. So XAML is a tag-based code, so it is an extended version of your XML code only. This diagram gives the overview of the XAML. First, you need to create the page. Inside the page tag, you need to create the layout, and inside the layout, you need to place all the view controls. So, what is layout is? It will give you the blueprint of how the user interface components are going to be placed in the display. And view is all the user interface, example button or label. So those things are called view. First you are having page. Inside the page you are having layout. Inside the layout you have to define the views. In Xamarin you will define all the user interface component in XAML, main page.xaml, and the functionalities behind this user interface components are defined in main page.xaml.cs. So layouts. XAML layouts are majorly divided into two categories. One is single view, another one is multiple view. So in case of single view, it will hold only one component in the layout. In case of multiple view, it holds more than one user interface component inside the layout. So this is the simple difference between single view and multiple view. And these list out what are all the user interface component, or it will be called as view in XAML. So label is for displaying some information to the user, image is for displaying the image, and same way we are having box view, web view, OpenGL view, map, and media element. These are all the things used to give some information to the user. And next one, button, image button, search bar, swipe view. These are all the things used to trigger some events to the user. And checkboxes, slider, switch, date picker, time picker. So these are all used to get some information by displaying something to the user. So in case of checkboxes, if you want to select more than one option, we will use checkbox. So next one, entry and editor. It is used to get the information from the user. User will type the values. So for example, username and password. So we need to get the information from the user. At the time, we will make use of these entry or editor. And so indicate to the user what is going on. So we have to use activity indicator or progress bar indicator. So these are all the views used in the XAML. So this gives you a simple code for hello world program given in XAML. So here we are having your content page. So that is your page. So inside this page you need to define the layout. Here we have given stack layout. Inside the layout we need to place all the user interface component. So here only one component label that displays hello world. So one time we are writing this code and we can execute in both Android as well as iOS. The output screen, this is related to Android and this is related to iOS. So this is possible only in cross-platform development tools. So this is the introduction about XAML. Thank you.